Hi friends! Today we review the most technologically advanced Xiaomi smartphone, which the company sees as the experimental platform for future technologies. We are talking about Mi Mix 2. Mi Mix 2 has kept its main advantages: a ceramic body, an enormous screen, and frameless design. But it lost few grams, became slimmer, and even faster thanks to a top-grade processor. This frameless smartphone promises a lot of excitement. And for its exquisite design developed by Philip Stark, Mi Mix 2 received the highest award at the International Industrial Design Competition IDEA 2017. It looks like Mi Mix of the second generation is similar to its predecessor, but actually not exactly. It has the same ceramic body and a large screen, however, the edges were made of aluminum, the size of the screen decreased by 0.4 inches and the bezels around the screen became even thinner. The screen-to-body ratio is unbelievable, allowing plenty of space for displaying content. The front and the back panels are now rounded at the edges. Rounded display corners give even larger field of view. It is also noteworthy that there is an exclusive version which includes 18-karat gold in the rims of the rear camera and fingerprint sensor. Such a gold decor in tandem with the pure zirconium ceramics turned the smartphone into an elegant piece of technology. The screen became smaller but larger. How on earth is that possible, you may ask? Everything simple. Although overall display size decreased to 6 inches, but it got taller and wider, and has hardly any bezels, resulting in an 18:9 aspect ratio. There is a lot more information on the screen, and the smartphone is more convenient to work with even one hand, because in size Mi Mix 2 is not bigger than the classic 5.5-inch smartphone. The screen resolution is 1080 to 2160 pixels. Since the top bezel disappeared almost completely, the front camera was made smaller and relocated to the chin of the smartphone, but it will still give you stunning selfies. In the main camera department, Mi Mix 2 offers a lot. The smartphone sports a Sony IMX386 sensor with a value of the pixel 1.25 micrometer. The aperture opening of the lens with a size of 2.0 and the 4-axis image stabilization system allow you to shoot high-quality photos during the day and use the camera in low light conditions as well. The camera can shoot videos in 4K using a variety of scenarios to improve video quality. Sitting next to the camera is the dual LED flash, and right below there is a fingerprint sensor. Mi Mix 2 packs the top-of-the-range Snapdragon 835 chipset. It is smaller in size as compared to previous generation processors and is more power-optimized. The chipset comes with 8 Creo 280 processing cores with max tactical frequency 2.5 GHz. Graphically, the smartphone works well too when you play games or launch intense applications. That is due to Adreno 540 graphics processor coupled with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. The developers reviewed the sound system and abandoned a high-quality speaker with a 50mW amplifier. The sound is being pushed through the speakers at the top of the device. Xiaomi decided to give up 3.5mm connector. You can use USB Type-C or Bluetooth headphones to listen to music. A new ultrasonic proximity sensor is used to turn the screen off during a call. It monitors the distance from the screen to your face more accurately than an infrared sensor. A 3400 mAh cell inside Mi Mix 2 may sound comparatively small for a phone with such display. But the smartphone is running the latest Snapdragon processor that is very good at handling power. Quick Charge 3.0 allows you to boost your smartphone literally in an hour. Xiaomi is talking about the Mi Mix line as an experimental one to implement technologies of tomorrow. Mi Mix 2 continues the line's refined design. The smartphone offers a gorgeous ceramic body, which was praised a lot at the International Design Contest. Near edgeless display, not that common screen-to-body ratio, top-notch internals, though-out ergonomics and gold decor. Many of those features are what we would like to see in the phones of tomorrow. Goodbye, my friends, thanks for your attention.